Hi guys, in today's lesson, we're gonna teach you how to add theme options in the WordPress dashboard. Okay, as you can see, this is a theme made especially for this tutorial. Okay, you see it has a good design. Okay, and I took, this from this site. This is only to show you how to add theme options and how to output them. So it is a little bit the same. So you're gonna see in a while how it works, guys. So without wasting time, let's begin. Okay, guys, now to create theme options, we're gonna refer to the documentations of the ACF custom field. So this is, the link, I'm gonna leave it in the description of this video. Okay, and as you can see, it has page title, menu title. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. Okay, and this is the complete code. Okay, this is how to add theme options in the functions.php5. Okay, and if you want to add, creating sub pages, so this is I mean you can create parent and add sub page here. Okay, so I'm not going to use sub page. I'm gonna only use I mean this piece of code, and you're gonna see in a while how it works. I'm gonna just copy this piece of code just to show you that there is no secret. So now let's back to our code editor to see how it works. Okay, actually, before head to our editor, I forgot to install, the ACF custom field. So let's go quickly install it and plug in, add new. Okay, and I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna, choose where the plugin is located. It's on my desktop. ACF. Okay, choose it and install it. Okay, and activate the plugin. Okay, so now we have the plugin activated. So now we can go to our code editor to continue our work. Now in our code editor, so we now create, a folder in our custom theme. Okay, and I'm gonna name it config. Okay, this is the name of our folder, and inside the folder, I'm gonna create a file named config. I mean PHP, and I'm gonna open, okay, and close PHP tag. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I mean, let's go back. I mean, I'm gonna copy, the code I have showed you in the ACF custom field documentation. I'm gonna copy this. Okay. I create this folder just to make thing, well organized. Modular code. Okay, and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna call this file in the functions.php. Okay, just before, let's name it. I'm gonna name this, theme general settings. Okay, we can leave it. And the menu title, I'm gonna name it, theme options. Okay, just to show you that it is works. Okay. Okay, now let's add a comment before call it in function.php. Okay, theme options. Okay, save, and let's go to our functions.php. I'm gonna include it here. Okay, let's add a comment. Okay, include theme options. Okay, that's it, and let's call it um, include. Okay, this is in the config file. Okay, oh sorry, config. and the file is config.php. So as you can see, this is it. Okay. Okay. Folder config and file config.php and add semicolon and save. Now we're gonna head to our WordPress dashboard to see if it shows properly. And now in our WordPress dashboard, let's reload, our page. As you can see, this is the name that we gave, okay, theme options. And we're gonna create custom fields to appear inside the theme options. I mean, I'm gonna create fields, um, for this image, title, and description, okay, inside the theme options, okay, and you're gonna see how I'm gonna um, call it in our code editor to loop through it with theme options, okay. So in a while you're gonna see how it works, but this is pretty a little bit the same. It's um, like not big difference, okay. And now, guys, let me show you real quick. We're gonna create the fields, and here you see why people believe in us. I'm gonna name this field image. People image, people title, people description, just to let things easy to understand. Okay, now let's create the fields, and okay, field grab. Okay, I'm gonna name this field. People. I mean people, and inside people, um I will create a loop. Just see people loop, because why? Because I'm gonna create, I'm gonna leave only one in our code editor and loop through it, to generate the rest. Okay, this is why. And this will be, I mean let's say a repeater. Okay, repeater. And inside the repeater I will create, this field. Okay, and I've told you I will name it, people image, and this will be image. Okay, um okay, and the wrapper will be 33%. Okay, okay, another field, this field will be people title. Okay, people title. Okay, and people title will be text. Okay, no problem. Wrapper, I will create two columns. The wrapper will be 32%, and the last will be, people description. And let's add it with quick. Okay, people description. Okay, we could leave it like this. Well, if you want, you can add the rest description. Okay, and no problem. This will be text, or what you see is what you get. I'm gonna leave it like this, and the wrapper will be also 33%. And okay, and where you want to appear, this is the most important. Okay, but in our case we have theme options. Okay, okay, options page, and you see it gonna appears in theme options. Okay, let's save. Okay, and after that, let's look in theme options. So as you can see, guys, so you see the field is uh are created, the fields are created in theme options. We just gonna, insert the data. Okay, and now let's insert data. Okay, add image, and I'm gonna drag and drop, I mean, the image icon. Okay, add. Okay, as you can see, the image is here. Let's see the first one. Okay, the first one, second. Okay, okay, this is it. And let me show you the first example. okay, page title, and here this is the description, okay, and add it here. Okay, but I'm gonna insert the rest of the data. After that, I'll be back. Okay. So, okay guys, so this is the appearance after inserting all the data. Okay, this is the first, the first one, second, and third. Okay, and the first, the second, and the third. So now let's go back to our code editor to output them. And now in our code editor, I've told you, I will, let's see the loop. Okay, first, let's see, this is the first, second, and third. But I'm gonna leave only one because I'm gonna loop through it. Okay, the first, the third, remove it. Second, remove it. Okay, and let's see if everything is okay. Okay, and this is okay. This is how to check it. Okay, now everything is okay, and now I'm gonna loop through this one to output the rest. So, and now let's put our condition here. Okay, open includes PHP. Okay, and we're gonna say uh, um, if have underscore rows. Okay, and the name of our row, let's go back real quick. Okay, this is this. Okay, okay, and now let's go back. Okay, and add it here. And comma, you should add option. If you don't add option, it will not work. So I will put all these div inside, I mean, inside here. Why? It's because, um, let's close PHP so that you see things better. And here, let's open it here. Okay, why? It's because if there is of uh any of this inserted in the WordPress dashboard, so nothing will be shown. All the div will not appear. Okay, and I'm gonna open here PHP again and close it. Okay, and while while I'm gonna add the same piece of code. Okay, while um have underscore rows. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this. Okay, and put it here. Okay, while have I mean rows people loop. Okay, this is the same option. We should add it, and the row. This is like WordPress loop. Okay, comma, and let's close PHP here and open it here. Okay, sorry, PHP, and in between, let's add this piece of code. Okay, okay, and let's remove a little space. Okay, okay, let's make some space, and here, let's get rid of this static image. Let's open PHP and close it. Let's create a variable name people underscore emg. Okay, get subfield. Don't forget we are in theme in a loop. Okay, and we have subfield. Okay, and the name of the subfield. Let's take it in our WordPress dashboard real quick. Okay, this is profile image. Okay, people image. Sorry. Okay, and let's get back. We add it. Okay, and comma. So um to show the link, we should echo this variable okay, and as parameter bracket and URL, okay. This is it, guys. But you could do this like this. If you add a custom image size, for example, you would add sizes, okay, sizes, and you will open another bracket, and you will add, I mean, uh, your custom size, your custom image size, okay. But in our case, we don't have custom image size. I'm gonna, I mean, change it back to URL, okay. And now let's continue output the rest of the fields. And now to output the rest of the field, okay, let's get rid of this static title, open and close PHP, okay, and now we're gonna say the subfield, okay, uh, okay, and the subfield and the subfield name. Okay, let's go back to copy the field, and this is people title. Okay, let's go back again, and here we add, okay, the people title just to save time. Okay, I'm gonna uh copy and paste it here. Okay, and only uh we need to copy the, I mean, this field, people description. We should go back again and change it to people description. I think that's it. And now let's reload our page to see if everything was properly done. Okay, to reload our page, let's go to, I mean, to our site, and here, let's reload it. Okay, guys, as you can see, everything is okay. I mean, this section is manageable from the WordPress dashboard, and we have showed you how to add theme options. Okay, theme options. This is how to do it with ACF Custom Field Pro. Okay, so if you like this video, I mean, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below to, I mean, to tell me what you think about this video. And okay, that's it. Invite people also. Um, okay, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.